this your favorite camping spot, Amy?
Yeah, we bought it in 1974 from the Crazies. But we've only been here 2 times.
Who are the Crazies?
Actually, they're the Cougars. My dad calls them Crazies because they're a little nuts. They're hillbilly types. They kind of keep to themselves.
Matthew.
Oh, 10:30.
But I don't know where to turn off of the highway.
I don't know either.
We need a map.
Thomas, the Cougars will have a map. They're just up their house.
You want me to go to the house? No way. I ain't going up there.
Actually, I've never met them. They might not be that bad.
We need a map or we're gonna get lost. I don't know where to turn off either. None of
Okay,
us
I'll
do.
go. Jeez.
Thanks, Thomas. It's about a mile on that.
Okay, I'll be back right away.
Yes?
Hi, I'm staying at on Annie Bennett's place, and we're staying overnight. And we were wondering if you had a map we could borrow, so we can find our way to Banff tomorrow.
A map. Of course. Come in.
Nice place you got here.
Thank you. Just a minute, Grandma, I'm coming. Here's your map. Ah!
Oh!
Here's your tea, Grandma. Anyways,
I'm gonna go get them. Is anybody coming with me?
camera will go.
Thanks. I ain't going in there. Ah, you wussy. Is anybody home? Anybody here?
Wait for me!
fire's getting low.
I'll go get some wood. Bev, where are you?
I bet it's cut out almost everything.
This side. Did you get it? You're okay.
Where is everyone?
Why don't you leave my grandchildren alone?
You people, you're always nosing in our business. It's your fault. You ring it on yourself. Say, Zev, have you ever gone hunting?
No, I haven't. Why?
Well, I'll tell you. It's really exciting. You can't begin to imagine how it feels to see a helpless animal scurrying along, and then bang, you get it with your shotgun. Then you get a permanent trophy like this.
Calm down now, Edgar. Calm down. Leave the poor girl alone.
All right, I'm fine. Just calm down, Viv. I won't hurt you. Just calm down.
You killed them all. You killed Thomas, didn't you?
Well, actually, his sister killed a few.
No one must ever know you were here.
Oh, hello, Beverly. There's no escape.
Help! Somebody help me!
Don't worry. No one can hear you. Now calm down and relax.
And then you kill me like the rest?
Okay, I won't kill you like the rest. I'll be original.